guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So what do you guys think about this new look? I just got a haircut done like 3 days ago and yeah, I'm really liking it so far. I think it's changed my look completely. And don't worry, I did not cut my hair like so short. It's just the front section that I cut so short. I still have my original length at the back. I only cut it like about an inch or something, so my hair is still long from the back. So do let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Anyway, coming back to today's video, it's a very random one. I was just about to enter the kitchen and cook something for myself, and that's when I decided that I want to take you guys through what I'm gonna cook for myself. So I have PCOD and I can't really eat a lot of junk food, a lot of fried food, a lot of unhealthy stuff when I'm hungry, and I keep getting hungry all the time. Like I just want to keep binging on something all the time, and that's why I have to look out for healthier options, because अगर PCOD में आप अपनी body का ध्यान नहीं रखोगे तो it's gonna lead to a lot of more problems. One of them is infertility, the other one is breakouts and hair loss and rapid weight gain, etc. So PCOD is not actually a disease, it's more of a lifestyle condition, and इसमें आपको अपनी lifestyle कॉन्स्टेंटली लाइक फॉर एवर मेंटेन रखनी पड़ती है. तो पीसीओडी में मैं अपना ध्यान इस तरह से रखती हूँ कि आई मेक श्योर टू गेट एटलीस्ट लाइक 7 to 8 hours of sleep every single day. I make sure that I at least go for a walk for 30 minutes every single day. I try not to take a lot of stress, but it's just something that you can't really control, so you can also meditate if you want. And इसके अलावा I try not to eat a lot of junk food, but I try to eat healthier options, and I'm a big time foodie, so I need my food to be tasty, so I make sure that all of the healthy food items that I opt for are tasty at the same time. So today I'm gonna share with you like 3 different recipes of healthy snacks that you can binge on at any point throughout the day, even like late in the midnight, and you won't be feeling guilty about what you will be eating, because all of the calories that you'll be consuming will be good calories. So yeah, without any further ado, let me quickly show you all of these recipes that I love binging on all the time. So the first recipe involves a lot of fruits and vegetables. Here I have some apple, pineapple, pomegranate, cucumber, purple cabbage, capsicum, and a little bit of carrot. You can use any fruits and vegetables of your choice. You can also include some berries and cherries and whatever you want, and all you have to do is use some hung curd. So there are a lot of recipes of how to make hung curd. It requires you to hang your curd for about 3 to 4 hours so that all of the water is released and it's separated from the curd. I'm gonna leave a few recipes of how to make hung curd in the description box below, so you can check that out. And to this hung curd, you can add any flavors of your choice. You can add just a tad bit of powdered sugar to maybe balance it out. You can add some pepper, you can add some oregano, add all of the fruits and vegetables raw into this hung curd. Mix it really well and put it in the refrigerator for at least like half an hour to 45 minutes for it to set. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it along with your lunch as a side salad, and you can store the salad in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. The salad tastes very sweet because it's got all of the sugars, all of the natural sugars from all of these fruits and vegetables. So that was the first recipe. Now before I show you the second one, I just want to talk about an Ayurvedic medicine that has helped me a lot with my PCOD. It's meant for PCOD and PCOS. So this one's by Namya Life Sciences. It's their Atharva Shaya tablets for PCOD and PCOS. I've been consuming these tablets for the past like 45 to 50 days, and how I discovered about these tablets is through another product by the same brand, that is by Namya Life Sciences. This is their Anartava for delayed and irregular periods. During the lockdown period, my lifestyle had changed completely. I wasn't getting enough sleep at that time. Our eating patterns had also changed. Like I believe everyone was going through some of these changes, and I also couldn't exercise regularly because I usually go for walks and for jogs, and during the lockdown period that wasn't really possible for me. So my body went through a lot of hormonal imbalances. I also got a lot of acne and breakouts on my face. Like if you've been following me for a while, like during the months of April and May, I had a lot of breakouts on my face, and I was actually using a lot of dermat products to get rid of them. So I suffered through a lot of hormonal imbalances, and that's when I decided to go for something that's Ayurvedic, because I've tried allopathy medicine, but they are very harmful for the body. Even though they regulate your hormones like temporarily, they actually cause more imbalances in your body in the long run if you like keep going back to allopathy medicines. Then again, I've tried homeopathy medicines. Homeopathy is something that works for certain people and it doesn't work for certain other people, and homeopathy doesn't work for me. So I decided to go for an Ayurvedic cure, and this has helped me a lot with my irregular periods. When my body was going through all these hormonal imbalances, I missed my periods for like 1 month, and after that too my periods were pretty irregular and they weren't normal. So that's when I started looking for an Ayurvedic cure online, and I found this syrup, and I consume the syrup like twice a day, once after breakfast and once after dinner. And I actually like consumed it for over a month or something, and my periods have now become completely regular. I haven't missed my periods ever since, and the cycle has also become proper, the flow has become proper as normal. So this has actually helped me to balance out my hormones. So since this was working so well for me, and since this regulated my periods back to normal, I decided to go for more like a permanent cure for my PCOD and PCOS. Even though I was taking care of my body, I wanted something that would regulate your hormones, and that's why I decided to try these PCOD PCOS tablets, and I've been consuming them for the past, I'd say 50 days or something. Like 8-9 tablets ही बची है इसमें, so it's more than 50 days. I've actually seen a difference in my body. I'm not gaining weight as rapidly as I used to. I'm not getting as much acne. I'm not suffering through like as much hair loss. So everything is getting back to normal. Everything is getting, proper. Like, I don't know how to explain. I just feel better from inside. I just feel like my lifestyle condition is improving a lot ever since I've been consuming this. Of course, मैं इसके साथ साथ अपना diet का, अपने sleeping patterns का और exercise का भी ख्याल रख रही हूँ, because everything goes along like together. But ever since I've been consuming these tablets, it's made a huge difference to my body overall, and that's why I just wanted to like put these tablets out there and show you guys what I've been doing, what Ayurvedic cure I've been following to deal with my PCOD. Even if you have PCOS, these are gonna work for you. They help in restoring hormonal imbalance, they help in improving your fertility and your immunity, and they help in purifying your blood, they help in regulating your periods, and they just help with your overall body to feel better. Also, these are Ayurvedic, so you don't have to worry about any kind of side effects. Ayurveda is the best form of medicine that you can consume. The links to purchase both of these products is mentioned in the description box below. Now anyway, moving on to the second recipe. This involves the use of a lot of dry fruits and seeds, and you can literally add whatever you have at home, like almonds, cashews, pistachios, walnuts, raisins. You can also add seeds like flax seeds, sesame seeds, cucumber seeds, like whatever you have at home. And all you've got to do is just chop everything into half so that it's a little smaller in size, and roast it on a pan, like dry roast them. Do not add any oils or ghee or anything to it, and just keep roasting it until they become a little crispy. Once that is done, you want to take a little bit of jaggery that is good into a pan, and if you use organic jaggery, वो तो best चीज़ है. So just add that to a pan and melt it. You can add like a little bit of water in order to melt it. And once it comes to a boil, just add all of the dry fruits into the jaggery mixture and mix everything well until all of the dry fruits are coated properly. And after it has cooled down completely, you can cut it into pieces using a knife, or you can just break it with your hands and eat it. This tastes like caramelized dry fruits, and it's all healthy. It's perfect for the winter time, because during the winters you gotta consume a lot of dry fruits, and jaggery is also amazing for the winters. You can also have it for dessert. It tastes very sweet. It's gonna fulfill all of your sweet tooth buds, and it's gonna be healthy at the same time. For the third recipe, all you need are some peanuts and some almonds, and you want to dry roast them again. So you can dry roast both of them together for about 5 minutes only, and once that is done, let them cool down for 2 minutes, not more than that, and then transfer both of them together in a mixie pot. And then you want to grind them and keep grinding them until it forms into a butter-like consistency. So when you start grinding it, it's first gonna turn into like a powder sort of a consistency, and if you keep on grinding it, Since the peanuts and almonds are still hot, they're gonna release natural oils, and that's gonna make the powder into a butter. So you wanna keep churning it. You don't wanna add any sugar to it. You don't want to add any oils to it. If you want it to be sweet, you can also add a little bit of jaggery, but I like to keep mine unsweetened. And you can store this for like over a month. You can apply this on breads. You can apply this on rusk toast. You can also apply this on bananas or apples or whichever fruits that you like. I want to warn you guys that this butter is extremely rich. It's extremely heavy. So even if you like apply it on one banana and consume that for breakfast, you're going to be completely full. You won't have any extra space left for anything else. You can consume this peanut and almond butter maybe for breakfast or maybe for an evening snack or something. So those were the 3 recipes that I keep making all the time and that I keep binging on all the time. They are extremely healthy. You saw that I used mostly fruits, vegetables and dry fruits, and there wasn't any oil, there wasn't any sugar, there wasn't any unhealthy substance in any of these recipes. So they are extremely healthy, extremely nutritious and very, very delicious, and you can literally binge on any of them at any point throughout the day and not really worry about you consuming bad fats or bad calories. So that just makes them a perfect snack for people who have PCOD and can't really eat a lot of tasty unhealthy food. All of these foods are extremely tasty and they're so healthy at the same time. So that was my video for today, and if you want to know what I eat for lunch and for dinner and for breakfast and like whatever meal throughout the day, if you want to see like more recipes like this, then just leave a comment down below and I would love to make more videos for you guys. Also, if you have PCOD or PCOS and if you want to like improve your body condition, or if you have irregular periods, irregular flow, then you can definitely check out these Namya syrups and tablets. They really actually work. They have worked for me and they have actually made my body so much better. I feel good from the inside. So you can definitely try out these Ayurvedic solutions, these natural solutions for your lifestyle problems. And yeah, if you try out any of these recipes, then do let me know in the comments below how you like them. And yeah, that was my video for today. If you found this helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, but that's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.